Can you provide instances where data visualization is practically applied? Real-life applications of data visualization include financial analysis dashboards, weather forecasting models, and traffic flow monitoring systems. Elaborate on why data visualizations are crucial. Data visualizations are vital as they enable easier understanding of complex data sets, facilitate quick identification of patterns and trends, and aid in decision-making processes. Can you describe various types of graphs and charts commonly employed for data visualization? Various graphs and charts used in data visualization include bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, scatter plots, and histograms, each serving different purposes in representing data visually. Please provide examples of plots that depict multiple variables simultaneously and those that illustrate only one variable. Examples of multivariable plots include 3D scatter plots, bubble charts, and heat maps, while single-variable plots encompass histograms, frequency polygons, and box plots. Given the value of pi up to 55 decimal places, A. Construct a frequency distribution table for the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. B. Determine the most and least frequently occurring digits. A. Frequency distribution table. B. The most frequently occurring digit is 3, while the least frequently occurring digits are 0, 7, and 5, each appearing only 3 times. Log the daily absentee count in your classroom over the last month, presenting the information in a table. Illustrate this data with a dot plot. Determine both the highest daily absentee count and the average number of absences per day. After recording the absentee count for each day of the past month, we find that the maximum number of students absent on a single day was 5, and the average daily absentee count was 2. This information was displayed in a dot plot for visual analysis, highlighting the fluctuation in daily absences and providing a clear view of the days with the highest and lowest absences. Document the varying heights of each classmate in a table. Use a histogram to graphically represent this height data. Identify the most common height among your classmates. Upon gathering and tabulating the heights of all classmates, we visualized the data with a histogram, which clearly showed the distribution of heights within the class. The most frequently occurring height, or the mode, was found to be 160 centimeters, indicating that this height was the most common among students. Develop a statistical inquiry to determine your class's preferred fruit. Gather responses, analyze the findings, and deduce the most popular fruit among your classmates. To identify the class's favorite fruit, we asked each student to name their preferred fruit. After collecting all responses, we analyzed the data to find that apples were the most frequently mentioned fruit. This analysis led to the interpretation that apples are the favorite fruit among the students in the class, reflecting the class's collective preference.